another beautiful day.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Gorgiano sandwiches. I have something to tell you.
Okay.
I think I'm going to sneeze.
That's fun.
Oh, I love it. One of my favorite things. Here it comes. Nope. It passed.
One time, I sneezed so much, and I fell over.
Really?
Yeah, but it didn't hurt
Oh, wait a second. Here it comes. Sheesh. Nothing.
Maybe you're allergic to something.
Well, that is possible.
I'm allergic to cheese.
What happens when you, eat it?
It's not good for me. My mom says I can't have any.
Well, there's still lots of stuff you can have.
Yeah, crumbs, and applesauce, and carrots, and crumbs.
Yeah, crumbs are delicious. What I like to
Achoo!
That's interesting. Must be some cheese around here somewhere.